Finally, Labrador Training Application Secrets, in my simple-to-use take-you-by-the-hand dog training system. The secrets that are nothing like anything previously used. This dog training application system is only available to dog owners who use this application. You will see results immediately, even if you have never had a family dog before. If you have tried but failed to train that darn dog, these are the professional secrets you want. The same strategies I used for years to handle dozens of unruly dogs at a time and my dogs are revealed to you in this simple-to-use step-by-step system. For successful dog training, practice these basic training steps with your dogs every day. Features: how to train your puppy to sit and come and stay. Stop your dog from barking fast. Correction mistakes almost all dog owners make. Troubleshooting for difficult dogs. Learn the commands that make dog training a breeze. The ways to praise your dog. Ways to prepare your dog for a baby. 3 must-knows to raise great puppies. Keeping your puppy safe at home. Tips to stop your dog from jumping on guests. Download the best application to train your dog right now for free.